Alright, greetings punters and welcome to game 611, and it is Kevin's slider. It's going to be a pretty interesting draw because Kevin can't win it. Alright, we are going live and the current time is 10 past 9 on Tuesday. World clock says 10 past 9. Alrighty. Let's go and see how many spots we've got. Alright, 50 spots exactly. Michael at 50. Michael at number 1. Alrighty, let's go and plug them in. And we have Michael at 1. Looking for gaps. Looking. And Michael at 50. We're all good. Alrighty, here we go. 3 dice roll. And 5 and 3 is 8, and 6 is 14. 6 and 3 is 9, and 5 is 14. Alrighty, let's go. First one. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, we have randomized 12 times, double checking. We have 5 and 3 is 8, and 6 is 14. We have 2 to go. This is the penultimate. Alrighty, 13 times, 14 on the dice. Next one is the winner. Good luck. Oh, too slow, I think. Alrighty, here we go. For the last Ronin Ashcan, it is Mr. Josh Maitland. There you go. Congrats, mate. Welcome to the Winners Club. Get in touch with Kevin to claim your prize. Thanks for playing. Catch you next time.